Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week, as you can tell in the subtitle, it was meant to be Met Gala week. I guess it still is, it's just the actual event was cancelled, and it was one of the events I do look forward to seeing. I love seeing red carpet. I love seeing what people are wearing and being inspired by fashion that's out there. The architects in all the dresses and suits and the themes and stuff like that. I don't know which year is my favorite. There's quite a lot of them. I did like the 2018 one. This year I think it was supposed to be time, so I guess what I was doing is basically looking through all the dresses from every year to see which inspires me the most. So just take a look and let me know what you think.
Sense to me, and I love that their idea is gratefulness, gratitude, and putting positive vibes everywhere.
Okay, I hope you guys like it. Oh, fire alarm, the streets are active out there. Anyways, as my daughter's in the other room watching TV, I'll just finish this video real quick. So I hope you guys like it. The fabric I did use is a curtain, and yeah, it is kind of weird to use that, but it's kind of just using what I have. Actually quite happy to use curtain because one of my fondest memories as a child is when my mum made me my dress for a party at school. I was in primary school. I think it wasn't that long after we came here and I started school. It was one of my fondest memories, and the dress was made from a curtain, and I remember people's reaction. They were quite happy with it, and when the people asked me where I got it from, I was like, my mum made it. I'm not sure if I told them what she made it out of, but it's pretty cool to me. So that's why I decided to try it myself for this week's inspiration clothing. I hope you guys do like it. What I will do is I'm going to take some pictures, obviously. Well, I took some pictures. I'm going to put them on my Instagram page and my Facebook page, which I'll put in the description below. If you are watching this on my Instagram, you can just watch it in my next post, and just let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite year was for Met Gala, who your favorite celebrity dress was, your favorite designer, and hopefully maybe sometime I can make something close enough to that, but I doubt it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.